1 lb ground meat, beef, chicken, or lamb. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 inch ginger, grated. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Skewers, wooden skewers soaked in water for 30 minutes if grilling. Prepare the meat mixture. In a large bowl, combine ground meat, chopped onion, minced garlic, grated ginger, chopped cilantro, chopped mint, ground cumin, ground coriander, paprika, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Add yogurt and oil. Mix in plain yogurt and vegetable oil to the meat mixture. This adds moisture and flavor. Marinate. Allow the mixture to marinate for at least 1-2 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. This enhances the flavors. Shape into kebabs. Take portions of the marinated mixture and shape them onto skewers. You can make them into long cylinders or patties. Cooking options. Grill. Preheat your grill and cook the kebabs for about 10-15 minutes, turning occasionally until they are cooked through. Oven. Preheat your oven to 375 Fa, 190 C, and bake for 20-25 minutes, turning halfway through. Stovetop. Heat a pan with some oil and cook the kebabs on medium heat until they are browned on all sides. Serve. Serve the kebabs hot with your favorite sauce, chutney, or on a bed of rice.